Some ships are wooden ships, and those ships do sink. But the best ships are friendships, so to those ships we drink.
Alaska! Alaska! Alaska!
Oh, it's really fun. Because this is like asking like questions or like where's food.
How you make it up to me here?
I can't believe it's closed. Like that looks so.
I'm just beginning. Sometimes my tries are outside the line. We've been conditioned to not make mistakes, but I can't live that way. No. Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window.
Alaskan sushi! Alaskan sushi!
How do we feel about the China lights?
I mean, as a Chinese person, I'm glad to see some cultural representation.
I really think that Alaska should be known for its Chinese food. Cottage cheese and Chinese food in one sentence is a weird thing. This is a cute little game.
This is a crime against humanity. They combined Japanese and Chinese food and they made it a buffet.
Fusion.
And then the only Japanese food is fucking sushi, which is like fucking like malls.
How did you like the apple pie?
There was apple pie here.
Look at this shit. I thought it was just really gross duck at first. No, it's apple pie.
Also, Sky managed to get the most American things. I don't know how. She like found all the non-Chinese or Japanese things in the restaurant, and yeah, I think it's racially motivated.
They like looked at Panda Express and they're like, how can we upscale this?
But like not by anything.
The description on Google as Oriental cuisine is very telling.
Straws, plastic straws. Yeah, you don't get that in California. You want some Jello?
The other place that was
You know I am allergic to Jello.
if you show become right now.
It's better than French cooking.
It's alright.
Unique cuisine that pertains to the state of Alaska, the last frontier.
Distillation of the worst.
Oh, give me the beat, boy, and pray my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll.
Oh, it bounced.
You would be good at catching it.
Yeah, you know why? Because I have a massive mouth. What the fuck?
I'm feeling like my culture is being shat on in front of my face.
All you can eat Chinese food is a red flag. I'm thinking I'm like really worried I'm gonna have an allergic reaction.
Yeah.
Banana. We have to go on.
And blue! It's a great round.
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Too much time? I'm sorry.
Oh, it's my turn. Say la vie.
Say la
As Thomas would say.
Say la vie.
I wanted it. How's your night? Good. I'm drunk as shit. Including you? We need to do a sign. Yo, pause!
You guys are amazing. Make espresso martini.
What did you dance so bad?
Me too. I want to dance with somebody.
They want to feel the heat with somebody. Get this shit on film.
Not bad. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. Suck some balls!
Bella, I miss you too.
Guys, shut up.
It was a 10 out of 10.
Why?
Maybe an 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Because
Why is
you know
that?
what? I talk to women. I talk to men. I didn't talk to an in-between because no one lives like that in Alaska.
If your dad walked out, your mom could use a guy like me. Stacy's mom has got it going on. And I want to be your
He's like, hey, how much have you had to drink tonight? He's like in my face. How much have you been drinking? I'm like,
That guy was a dick.
Drinks.
That guy was a dick.
I've had a couple drinks. He's like, you're stumbling all over the place. You need to watch yourself. I'm gonna give you one more chance. I'm like, okay, like, first of all,
what do you want me to do? Walk in a line?
What do you want me to fucking do? Second
Guys,
of all, like,
we should play a really fun game called Get in the Fucking Van. Confessional hours.
Yeah.
Thank fucking God we're back.
They went up to Liz.
Yo, wait. I don't think you guys heard. They went up to Liz.
How does it feel? With a meeting at 8:30 in the morning.
No, it's at 8 a.m.
8!
And I need to be at the meeting. How we feeling this fine morning?
Amazing.
So good.
Yeah.
Is that coffee?
It is coffee.
Oh, I thought it was alcohol.
I wish.
Just kidding, we're gonna get this van out. Maddie's a fucking terrible driver.
Why can't we push the van? We can't share the happiness we shared. We shared by trying to push it.
Turn off the van.
Oh, shit. I think people need to get in that van.
Oh my god. Stop.
I wonder if we're gonna go on our hike after this.
Clear. All right.
I'm scared.
We're stuck. Clear trouble me, please.
I'm kind of feeling invigorated. I'm feeling alive. Absolute carnage. Here's a live rendition.
Okay.
Drive. Shut up, kids. Drive. Oh, the wheel's off the road. Oh, we're sucked straight into the side of the bank.
That was a great reenactment.
I love that.
I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore.
I guess you just stay with a hard night, then I get like all these
Yeah. Are you gonna die while pregnant in the lake?
Now I need someone to breathe me back to life.
Oh, look at that shit.
Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover and move on.
Abominable snowman. No, Alaska has the Yetis. The like Alaskan hairy man. They just have really big hairy men. They don't. Yeah, that's what it's called. They don't call it Bigfoot. They call him the hairy man.
Sounds a lot like the hairy dude.
That's what they call it.
Are you excited that there's hairy men in Alaska?
No, actually, not really my thing. You know. I found him, the Alaska hairy man.
They are.
Here we have a wild Frenchman. Watch as he eats pizza with the fork.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth drawn to a flame.
It's okay, it's a good video for the doc.
Oh, you let me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm left seeing red on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover and move on. Needle in the bed, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the bed, gotta get you out of my head.
I'm a critical thinker.
Gonna wind up dead.
Really fucking careful in the road. You guys have gloves, put them on.
Oh, we gotta find the beacons. I don't even know how that works.
So here we have some revised cabin rule.
Alright, number 1, quit your bitching. We kept that because it's important. Don't bitch. Number 2, save your drum for your mama. No gaping. If you get caught vaping, you have to take a drink. Number 5, if you say the name Rishi, shot. Well, number 6 is no number 6. 7, dog-free zone. Number 8, you have to call Onion Boy.
Guy's new name is Onion Boy.
If you talk about dude, take it. Also, if you talk in a southern accent, take it.
What do we do?
Guys, can we try to do a selfie?
Holy shit!
I don't know if it's gonna work, but we should try. Get a real unphotoshopped selfie.
You watch me till I can't breathe. Shaking your body to my knees. Falling on my knees. Oh, hey. I'll be needing
Put up on the street, but you cannot smoke. What? What the fuck? What the fuck?